Fire over here. What the fuck happened? It's fire. Fire is burning. It's around 23-26 here in Embakasi, and fire is racing the houses down. Not again today. Wow. It's at Embakasi mradi again. Not today again. Things are getting bad. I hope nobody's caught in between. Not today again. Houses burning here at the mradi. Wow. Oi. So it's getting hot again today. No fire brigade, no nothing. House is on fire. So it's been so recent. It's like a month now since fire erupted and burned everything. Gas explosion here, and today this is happening again. You can imagine. Fire. So we cannot go closer because you might not know, like cylinders, gas cylinders might be inside there. The whole plot has been engulfed with fire. Wow, and there is nothing we can do. See? Hiyo ni gas bana. Watu waondoke. What must be happening? The whole house is burning to the ground. Sikalie hapa juu bana. Sikalie hapa.
Wala nimechanganyikiwa sasa. Ndio kila siku ni swala.
Hii mtaa imekuwa noma.
Hata kile kivuka hii mtaa ingine ya kusafiri. Kwani wase wa kuzima nao kwa?
Wase wa kuzima saa hii watafika huko saa ngapi?
Watafika kisha waka.
Shida ni mitungi.
Mitungi itafanya swala.
Wow, another fire. Mradi again. Kuna hizo kepo huku. Yo, unajua kepo hiyo haifiki huku. This electric kepo over here. People are trying to put off fire, but the flames are spreading rapidly. You cannot save anything. All this fire is spreading rapidly, and still the electric is on. See, like this careful. See this electric cable over here, and still you can see like power is on, and see that Casper light over there. The electric is still on. That electric cable over there. See, the flames are spreading rapidly. It's almost midnight, and it's on a Sunday today. So we don't know how this fire started. There were screams all over, and people are afraid to go and try to put off the flames because people are still scared of the explosion which happened most recently here. Today it's on 3rd of March, and the explosion happened just a month ago on 1st of February. So people are scared to go near the flames, and the wind is blowing and the flames are spreading rapidly. You can see. So I'm just at a corner. In case of anything, I'll take cover. Wow. We are so scared. You can hear people moving cylinders, gas cylinders from. We are so scared, I tell you. Because people are just watching. Those are gas cylinders exploding. We don't know the cause of fire. This is the same plot where the person was electrocuted 2 years ago. So we don't know what started the fire, but one person died here as a result of electrocution. So the house is caving in now. You can hear people screaming. Hiyo ni mtungi, hiyo ni gas. See the flames. Hiyo ni gas. Flames are so rapid.
Hello. Hey. Aina wanza cho mwa chuwe ba kitonza. Engale kwa tina.
You can't just do anything, but just watch, because now people are so scared of even the shop over here. This is a shop. That's a shop over there. And the owner of that shop was killed by the electric like 2 years ago now. And today the shop the widow was left with has been burnt down. You can see this one over here. People are so scared. Hiyo ni mtungi. To goicha. Iwezi. Another incident, a sad incident, a month after the explosion, gas explosion here at Mradi, and today this is another inferno. Houses have been burnt down. Fire brigade for Nairobi County is nowhere to be seen. You can see sasa watu ndo ameingilia kuzima, lakini sasa hata fire brigade hajafika. It's like 14 minutes to midnight. Sirens for the fire brigade. It's now that they are arriving, but it's too late. But somehow they can help to put out some flames. Fire brigade. You can see that we are trying to put out fire, and electric is on, and fire brigade engines are. You can hear the sirens. Fire brigade. Sirens from fire engines arriving to try and put off the fire. But I also claim the area MCA, because this road over here is blocked. There is no way the wow, fire! Sasa mnaogopa nini na moto uko pale?
Nakupea shuka bado?